Welcome to the wild, where nature's sweetest treasure awaits. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey, a man's wild honey hunt through this vibrant forest. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of wild honey? As I step into this lush sanctuary, the air is thick with the scent of blooming flowers. Here, among the trees, lies a hidden world where bees work tirelessly to create one of nature's most delightful gifts: wild honey. These diligent bees are not just creators, they are vital to our ecosystem. They pollinate the flowers and, in turn, produce honey that is rich in flavor and health benefits. But today, we're on a mission to find this liquid gold. Look at these wildflowers. Each one is a potential source of nectar. The diversity of blooms here creates a unique profile for the honey produced. From floral notes to earthy undertones, wild honey tells the story of its surroundings. Let's talk about the benefits and features of wild honey. Not only is it a natural sweetener, but it also boasts incredible health properties. Packed with antioxidants, it can help boost your immune system and promote healing. Hear that? The sound of bees means we're getting closer, but we must approach carefully. Respecting their space is crucial. After all, they're working hard to create this delicious treat. Every detail matters in this hunt. The type of flowers, the behavior of the bees, it all contributes to the quality of the honey. Wild honey is often richer and more complex than its commercially produced counterparts, thanks to the diverse flora. Patience is key. We'll watch and wait for the bees to reveal their treasure. This is a moment of connection with nature, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life. Look over there, a wild hive. This is where the magic happens. Each bee plays a role, and together they create something extraordinary. But remember, it's important to harvest honey sustainably to protect these vital creatures. In our fast-paced lives, we often forget the beauty of nature's processes. This hunt is not just about honey, it's a journey of appreciation. The sweetness of wild honey is a reminder of the hard work and dedication of these tiny creatures. As we prepare to collect a small amount of honey, it's vital to do so responsibly. We'll only take what we need, ensuring the bees can continue their work. Let's respect their home and the environment. Here it is, wild honey. Look at that golden hue. This is nature's gift, a blend of flavors that captures the essence of the forest. Each spoonful tells a story of the flowers, the bees, and the land. The richness, the aroma, this is what sets wild honey apart. It's not just something to sweeten your tea, it's a connection to nature, a taste of the wilderness, and it's packed with benefits, antibacterial properties, energy boosts, and a natural remedy for allergies. Let's take a moment to savor this experience. The sweetness on my tongue is a reminder of the journey we've taken today. It's not just about finding honey, it's about understanding the harmony of life in this forest. As we conclude our wild honey hunt, remember the importance of protecting our bees and their habitats. Each time you enjoy wild honey, you're partaking in a legacy of nature. Let's cherish and protect this natural wonder. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Subscribe for more explorations into the wild, and let's continue to celebrate the beauty of nature together.